Hello guys, I'm Samantha. Today we are going to trade using the levels. But before we start, I'd like to remind you that if you're interested at joining to my VIP Telegram group where I share all my trades, you can text me directly on Telegram so I personally answer you and add you to my private group with signals. Don't forget that there is a limit of just 100 people, so you need to be quick to get there. Our task today is just simply to learn and understand in which direction the trend is moving. In fact, many of you already understand that the trend is moving upward here. From now on, if you go back, you can see that from this place. And from this, it can be logically understood that the trend is always moving upward. There are also downgrades and adjustments. Anything may happen, but globally we see that the trend is going up. Next, what we need to know is that the transaction lasts for 1 minute, so the most important problem is the right moment to enter the transaction super on time. If we do not do this, then with the probability of 70–80% we can lose the money even if we have done a good analysis. It is necessary to enter into a deal very timely, ideally to wait for some kind of rollback. It's all necessary to provide for and enter into transactions. Now that we know all of this, we need to find a currency pair that has all the candles, there is no consolidation. Here you can see that the chart has gone up, but now it has stopped at the same level in this internal. It moves up and down respectively. Consolidation when nothing global happens on the chart. Okay, another currency pair. Let's see what we have here. While the trend is also going up, another option to make trading more successful is to look at the time frame. In general, they need to be watched constantly, not even for 1 minute. I know many people say trading for 1 minute is more kind of entertainment than real trading, but I think it's better for a video. We will watch the global trend from time to time to see what is happening on the chart for the whole day. The currency pair did not work here. Here is the beginning of the day, immediately down, then up, now down again. We can make a logical conclusion that the daily minimum has broken here, at this level, and as soon as the minimum was broken for the whole day, the chart turned around and went up. So the upward trend that we have seen is correct. Now we need to enter into a deal on a small rollback. It remains to wait for the deal to close. Let's watch. Great, the first deal was completed profitable. Next, what we need to do is find the next currency pair. Do not stop at one currency pair. If the transaction ended profitably, you need to move on to the next currency pair. If the transaction ended unprofitably, then please forget and start working with a new currency pair. There are a lot of them. The payout percentage is now acceptable. Look, 84, 85, 86. There's even 89, but again, for beginners, I will say right away, where the payout percentage is high, the risk is also high. Charts are usually there with very high or very low volatility, so you can easily lose money there. So let's look at the pairs again. We can even look at the 1 hour time frame. Nothing will change much. Let's watch. The situation is similar to the previous chart, but as we can see, there is a problem here that a strong upward trend. Here are 3 large green candles that have already broken through the maximum, but there was a shadow and the chart went down. If we switch to the 1 minute chart now, we will see that the chart is going down, not up. Yes, here. So now there is no need to enter into transactions, there is an adjustment, but if you put it for a few hours, then most likely the chart will go up. Actually, I can't imagine how you can edit a video with such long transactions. It's unreal. So let's go watch the hourly time frame, see what a strong downward trend. I'm betting on a downgrade. That's it, we're set it up, and now we're waiting for a downtrend. Let's watch. Well, it was just an adjustment, it's correcting. So the deal didn't work, but there's nothing wrong with that. Let's see where the error was. In fact, it's just an adjustment. I didn't wait for this candle to close and hoped for a rollback. So now I doubt the correctness of my technical analysis for this chart, so I'll forget about this chart for a while. By the way, it went down. Most likely the adjustment is over. My logic was that the situation with candles is similar to this one, but here the pin bar is the last one, and here there was no pin bar and it was closed with a green candle. Because of this, the adjustment may have begun. Here we see several attempts that did not lead to anything except one, and then it was not a big trend, and then it immediately went down. I saw a pattern here, but actually I didn't quite get it, so we need to look more carefully in this regard. As a result, this candle was supposed to become our deal, so it went down. And let's look behind this green candle. If it goes up strongly, then we will enter into a deal for a decrease. Okay, we'll have to put a double deal, so let's watch. It is constantly down, the global trend is going down. I need this candle to go up. Great, they enter it into two deals. We accept that now there will be a decrease. Let's watch. Great, we got the money back from the last loss and earned extra money. This is how trading from levels works. I want to say that ideally you don't need to trade for 1 minute, but within the video it's more interesting. It's more interesting for you to watch and more interesting for me to make this kind of videos, so I like to enter into this kind of transactions and earn a little bit. Okay, and before we finish, I'd like to remind you that if you're interested at joining to my VIP Telegram group where I share my trades, you can text me directly on Telegram. So I personally answer you and add you to my private group with signals. And don't forget that there is a limit of 100 people, so make sure you are quick to get there. So if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.